Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at a new mining airdrop called Fight ID. Okay, so at the description of this video, anywhere in this video, you are going to be you are going to see the link. Tap on it to also mine. Okay, let's start. So on this app, you are to connect with any of these 4 ID. Okay, that is what you use in registering. So you can use either connect with Binance. Okay, we have connect with your email, we have connect with Google, and we also have connect with Apple. So I'm going to be connecting mine with my email, so I'll just tap on connect with email. Okay, so once you tap on connect with email, it's going to bring you where you type in your email. So I'm going to type in my email here. Email sent. We have sent a one-time password for you. So I'll go now and check on my email and get the passcode. So I've gotten the code. I'm going to input it now. 987935, and I'm going to click on sign up. Verify in just a moment. So I'm going to enter my username over here. So let's just, okay, I later use this, so I'm going to click on create. Your Fight ID is ready. So the new name is this. Okay, over here the activities you are going to do, and this is up here is the wallet. You just tap on it, you're going to see where to connect your wallet, and all these are the mini activities you perform to get your daily tax. Okay, so this is it. It's not all that difficult to do. So let's click on this wallet. So you see connect your wallet. So I have Phantom. So if I want to connect this, all I have to do is to click on my Phantom or Souffle to connect my wallet. Okay, over here you are going to see the activities to do for the day. So if you do this airdrop, be airdrop ready, you are going to get plus 250 FB. Okay, 5 points once you do this activity. Same thing with this. Join our Discord community, you are going to get 100 FB. Same thing here. So here, for you to refer a friend, this is where you come to refer a friend. For you to get, you just tap on it and your link will be given to you. Okay, you can also invite true friends, share on Telegram, then copy your link. This is the place. You tap on it and your link is copied, so you can share it. There's nothing difficult here. So let's click on this first one to see. Okay, so it's open. Okay, tap fast to gain punch power. Okay, so you can either train or fight. Let's see fight. Tap fast to gain punch power. Okay, the more you type, the more you get power. You see, so I've gotten 50 FB for this. So let's say I go back. Okay, just the same thing here, just do the same thing, the tax, and that's all for today. I'll be talking more on this as time goes on. You see, look at the point over here. As for this profile are people at the top, first top 20 playing this game. So these are what they've earned so far. Okay, These are what they've earned so far. Look at it. Can you see that? So for me, I just earned this. That the one I just did now. If you watch, they just gave me 50 FP. So this will be the end. Just follow for more updates. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.